Imagine hitting the road with the ultimate compact camper, a tricycle RV that combines adventure, practicality, and a whole lot of fun. This is not your ordinary camper. It's a fully functional tiny home on 3 wheels, designed for those who crave freedom without the hassle of a massive motorhome. It's lightweight, efficient, and built for those who want to explore without limits. If you think bigger is always better, think again. This tricycle camper proves that size isn't everything. You pull up to a scenic spot by the lake, twist the key and step off your 3-wheeled home. With just a few quick adjustments, the side panels expand, revealing a cozy sleeping area, a small kitchenette, and even storage space for essentials. It's amazing how much has been packed into this ultra-compact design. Who needs a bulky RV when you have something this practical and mobile? Let's talk about the ride. Unlike traditional RVs that guzzle fuel, this tricycle camper is designed to be efficient and environmentally friendly. Whether it's powered by a small gas engine or an electric motor, it ensures smooth travel while keeping costs low. Maneuvering through tight city streets or winding mountain roads is a breeze. You're not limited to campgrounds. You can explore places that big motorhomes could never reach. Imagine weaving through narrow alleyways in a historic town, or taking the scenic back roads with nothing but nature around you. The possibilities are endless. Inside, the design is genius. Every inch is utilized to maximize comfort and functionality. A convertible bed folds out when it's time to rest. The compact kitchenette includes a small stove, a sink, and just enough counter space to prepare a quick meal. Storage compartments are cleverly hidden under seats and along the walls, ensuring you have everything you need without clutter. Some models even include a tiny solar panel system, providing enough power for lights, charging devices, and small appliances. Off-grid camping just got a whole lot easier. Now, let's talk about convenience. Traditional RVs come with parking headaches, high maintenance costs, and the stress of maneuvering a giant vehicle. This camper tricycle eliminates all of that. Park it in a regular spot, ride through areas where large RVs aren't allowed, and forget about sky-high fuel prices. Plus, you don't need a special license to drive it, just hop on and go. Comfort is key, and designers have thought of everything. Some models include small ventilation fans, insulated walls to keep temperatures stable, and even collapsible workspaces for those who need to get things done on the road. Want to wake up to a sunrise on the beach? Just park and enjoy the view from your compact home. Traveling solo or as a couple? This tricycle camper is the perfect minimalist adventure vehicle. For those who love customization, the possibilities are endless. Paint it in bold colors, add extra storage racks, upgrade the mattress, or even install a small entertainment system. With some creativity, you can transform it into the ultimate personal getaway machine. Whether you're a weekend explorer or someone looking to downsize and travel full-time, this camper tricycle adapts to your needs. Cost-wise, it's a fraction of what you'd pay for a standard RV. With rising fuel prices and expensive campground fees, many travelers are looking for budget-friendly alternatives, and this is one of the best options out there. Plus, maintenance is simple. No massive engine repairs, no costly tire replacements, just straightforward upkeep that keeps you on the road without breaking the bank. Imagine pulling up to a campsite where everyone else has massive gas-guzzling motorhomes. You step off your sleek, efficient tricycle camper, unfold your space, and settle in for the night. People stop and stare, curious about how such a small vehicle can provide so much. The truth is, adventure isn't about the size of your RV, it's about the experiences you create along the way. Less weight, less hassle, more adventure. This kind of travel isn't just about convenience, it's about a mindset. It's for those who want to live simply, experience more, and embrace the freedom of the open road without being tied down by unnecessary baggage. Every stop is an opportunity to meet new people, see new places, and create unforgettable memories. The best part? You can do it all on a budget without sacrificing comfort or functionality. If you're looking for a way to break free from the ordinary and redefine the way you travel, the camper tricycle is a game changer. It's proof that adventure doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag or the stress of managing a massive vehicle. It's about going where you want, when you want, without restrictions. It's time to rethink travel. Why take a giant RV when you can have all the essentials in a compact, efficient, and stylish package? So, Where will your first adventure be? Imagine cruising down a coastal highway, finding a hidden camping spot in the woods, or rolling into a city and setting up camp in a quiet corner. The world is full of possibilities, and with a camper tricycle, you're free to explore them all. Small but mighty? This is the future of compact travel. Ready to hit the road?